Hello friends, welcome to Shivani Tutorials. Today I will show you a very beautiful jewelry mehndi design on your hand. Make a dot on the back side of your wrist and start making circle around it. Now make petals around the circle. Make another round of petals. Draw a curvy line in the center of the flower and fold it towards the left side. Repeat the same process and fold it towards the right side. To give more length to this design, draw leaves shapes parallelly. To end the design from the bottom, draw a single leaf in the center. Now fill the leaves with the mehndi. Make a dot and draw a circle around it. Draw petals around the circle. Beautify this circle with dots. Mark the dots on the first circle as well. Draw a straight line from the top of the small flower towards the middle finger. Draw a small flower here. Mark dots on the straight line. Draw petals to finish the design on the finger. Make some small petals between the bigger and smaller flower. To finish the design, draw a curvy line and make small flower at its end. So here we have our very beautiful jewelry mehndi design ready, and I'm sure that you will definitely try this design. Today I will show you a very beautiful mehndi design for your back hand. I am starting the design from the wrist. Make a small circle and put a dot in it. Now add petals to the circle. See, a beautiful flower is ready. Make another flower closer to the first one. Now make another flower parallel to the second flower. Carefully hold the mehndi pipe and draw the shape of leaf. Draw a parallel line to this leaf. Fill the inner line with mehndi. Now decorate the outer line by making some petals. In the center, you can also make a flower of leaves. I am making a leafy design. Now, on the top of the main leaf, draw a semicircle. Cover the semicircle with petal design. Draw 2 more semicircles along with the petal design to give a fine look to your mehndi. Put a dot on the petals of the leaf. Draw a design of petals and flower on your index finger. At last, draw some random petals or lines to give a filling look to your mehndi. See how easy and beautiful this mehndi is looking. Today, I will show you a very quick mehndi design on your back hand. I am starting the design from the back side of your palm. Make a small circle and draw its boundary. Draw some tiny petals around this circle. Now draw some bigger petals and take some petals inside it. Make a small line inside the petals. Give a boundary to these petals and it will look like a flower. draw another boundary to this flower. Start making any curvy design touching the flower to cover your wrist. Also, draw a simple and small petal design on your middle finger. Make the same design on the index finger. Copy the same design on the ring finger to finish the look. Wow! How beautiful and quick this Mehndi design is. Thank you very much for watching. Friends, if you like my video, then do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.